Hey, what's up? What's good, everybody? This is the one and only ADTRIBALCHILD, and you're watching Tribal Reaction. If there's any videos I should react to, then let me know down in the comments below. And if you missed out on the last episode, then be sure to click that little icon on the upper right hand corner of the screen, or the link in the description. Now for this episode, I'll be reacting to another video from LG. It is called Unboxing a Gift from LG, the kernel of the Dynasty network. I guess it must be an unboxing video, and I really need to get back into that. Also, if you're a content creator and you have your own content that I should react to, then don't be afraid to let me know, because I got y'all. Not sure what to expect, not sure what to show off, and this one's from February 2016, so it must be from a while ago, but for some reason he wanted me to react to it, so let's not waste any more time and get right to it.
No, it's not as nasty. It's good.
What is it? I can't think of it. It's what's good? It's your boy LG, and I'm back with another video. And excuse bad lighting.
Excuse me.
We are here to do a quick video. It's gonna be a quick unboxing video. I was giving a little bit of a gift from my homeboy, the Game Craver, aka Brooklyn Boss. Want to say a big shout out to you, man. Appreciate you for the gift, and it came today. So, my good sir, would you please box opening device? Okay. Anyway, let's do this.
Damn, people use box cutters anymore? Public service announcement. Box cutters makes a big difference. Also, don't use long kitchen knives because they'll cut the merchandise.
Got it.
Give me the box. What's in the box now? Give me the box. Here, watch. Open the box. See, watch. You say something.
I got it. Let it go.
It's not gonna work.
Let it go.
Damn.
Let it go. Don't give a crap anymore. Let it go.
Here, watch. I'm say something. Now reach in there. Pull it out. Come on, if I got delivery.
No.
If I pull it. No. It's not as nasty. It's good.
What is it? I can't think.
The anticipation's killing me.
Yeah! Yes! It's an HD PVR2, though, ladies and gentlemen. You guys can see that right there. Go. Big shout out to Quick Boss. It's got all the stuff in it right there. And,
Nice.
so put it in there. Once again, big thank you to Brooklyn Boss, the Game Craver. Guys, be sure to check out his channel. Let them know the LG sent you. I got all the cords here. HDMIs, the component cables if needed, you know what I'm saying, go, and it has the device itself is right here with all the goodies, and even there's a little bit more button on top. That's dope. Like it. All right, well there's the GameStop Power Awards, sponsor there. But I'm gonna be hooking this up soon, and I'm gonna be giving you guys a test run on how everything went. Or how everything, all the stuff is, and actually, that means I can stream too. Yes, with overlays. Yes. But that will be more as time goes on. But thank you guys once again. I will be making good use of this Brooklyn Boss and putting out that high quality gameplay. As Miss Kate would say, 1080p, 60 frames a second. That quality gameplay, and Bad Boy Gaming would say, be real, raw, and uncut. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like that impression? Yeah? No? Okay, good. Anyway, but once again, thank you guys. And I will catch you guys on the next time. Peace, and God bless.
Awesome package, LG. Brooklyn Boss really hooked you up. Well, hope shoot if you ain't any more videos you want me to react to, bro, let me know, man. So what do y'all think of this little unboxing videos? Let me know down in the comments below. And of course, I still got my Patreon page. If y'all want to help me to improve my channel, the link in the description or at the end of the video. Make a pledge and get cool stuff in return, and it will really help, with my channel. But that's it for this episode of Tribal Reaction. Be sure to give this video a like, share it like wildfire, and well, hell, that's it. But anyway, this is the one and only ADTCHIBALCHILD. Keep it locked.